Hi, good morning, everybody. So this is the fourth video on problem number 14 from the Build an Atom activity, and these are all the answers. So I want to have this up there. I noticed that there's some glare, or at least it looks like some glare. If I go to there's definitely some glare. So I want to help you see what might be bleached out with the glare a little bit. I'll go to this column. That number is a 25. That's a 19. That's a 12. That's a 13, and that's a 4. Okay, and then 13, 10, 6, 7, 2. And then in that second to last column, 13, 10, 6, 6, 2. I think most of the rest of them are pretty easy to see. So I'll give you some time to just take a look at this. You'll notice that all of the chemical symbols also have the mass number next to them. This number here matches up with everything in this column because that's the mass number, the number of protons plus neutrons. And some of them also have a charge. If they have a charge, that is labeled here. If they don't have a charge, there's nothing there. So that's the conventional way of listing the element symbols in that manner. Okay, now typically, as we get further into this, you'll see that we're listing symbols without these other things in it. There will be a charge there if that's appropriate, but this other mass number usually won't be there. We're doing things like writing chemical formulas and talking about chemical reactions. We won't really care how many neutrons are in the nucleus, because neutrons don't have a lot to do with how things combine to make compounds and chemical reactions. But anyway, this is the final answer to all of those spaces. So again, I'll let you look that over. Of course, you can pause this anytime and spend more time on it, but I'll give you a few more seconds. Be sure you're reviewing this. Be sure you are reviewing your slideshow or your slideshows from when Mr. Dietz went over that stuff with you in class as you prepare for this afternoon's quiz. I will be in the Google Hangout from 10:30 to 11 to answer questions about this afternoon's quiz. All right, so I'm going to stop it now. But again, you can pause at any time, go back, listen to it again if you want to hear my explanation again, and good luck on today's quiz.